Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to two ways to lock or unlock applications on this TV. The first one, simply go to settings and tap on the option all settings. Then here you can see the option general and privacy. Select the parental settings. Then here select the option app lock. Then here you can see all the application from the TV you can see here, and first of all you need to select the application that you want to lock. So here I am going to select the option thus Spotify, then select the option lock. So here we need to enter our parental PIN. Now you can see this locked. You can see one lock icon on the top right side of this application icon. If you want to unlock, again select the same application that you want to unlock, then select the option unlock, then again here enter the parental PIN. Now that is successfully unlocked. And the second way, just go to the home page and go to the application tab and all the way go down, then select the option app settings, same page you can see, and from here you can easily lock or unlock. So these are the two different methods to lock or unlock applications on the TV. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.